Yeah, here, we're going to put some shampoo on her so we can get soapy.
No, it's okay.
Oh, that's very nice, Griff. It's okay, Jojo.
I can clean the walls.
Are you cleaning the walls? Oh, no, that's not for Dodo. That's only for dishes.
No, that's only for water cleaning the walls.
Yeah. It's okay, Jojo. It's okay, little girl. It's okay. Mama's hair is getting stuck on you.
I'm gonna say it was Dodo.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say it was Dodo for the bath.
See, she doesn't have as much fun in the bath as you do.